Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing another Pride Month video. So today I'm going to be doing a kind of two-toned rainbow eye, similar to the one I posted last week, but different. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 35V palette again. All of my other Pride Month videos will be listed up here in the iCard so you guys can check them out. But without further ado, let's just get right into this video. So I'm just going to start off with the NYX Jumbo eye pencil in Milk, and I'm just going to lay this down onto my eyelid just to create a whiter base, and then I'm just going to buff that out. This is just a concealer brush. So basically the last look I did the rainbow kind of around the entire eye, but this time I'm going to do it across both eyes, if that makes sense. So one eye will be cool toned and one eye will be warm toned. So I'm going to start off with the warm toned side. So in the Morphe 35B palette, I'm just using the same colors that I used in my last video because it's the colors of the rainbow. So I'm taking the bright red shade, and we're just going to buff that into the outer corner of the eye. I'm kind of just stamping it, and I'm going to slowly build up the color, and then I'm going to blend it out. I'm actually just going to take a little bit of tape and put it onto my eye because I already did my foundation, and I want this line to be like fairly crisp. So again, just going in with the red and just really building that up. And then just on a more of a packing brush, I'm just going to take the red and punch it right into the corner because it comes off way more pink for some reason. Okay, now I'm going to dip into the bright orange down here on the bottom, and just put that into the center of the eye, and just like carefully mix that with the red shade. I'm going to this like peachy orange here just to blend the two together and like put that up in the crease just to really smoke out this look. So now I'm just going to go back into that red because we lost a little bit of the color in the corner here. And now I'm just going into the inner corner with that bright yellow again. Again, if you watch my other videos, the same yellow. And I'm just carefully blending it up into the orange and just patting it into the crease so we don't want to lose any of that color. And I'm just going to go back in one last time with the red shade because the red like doesn't really like to come off very pigmented. So I'm just really darkening up this very outer V. There we go. So now I'm just doing the same gradient on the bottom lash line, just with a smaller brush. So I'm going to start with the red and put that into the very outer corner and carefully blend it up into the red on this side. So now I'm going to that bright orange again and just going in the very center of the eye. And then on a smaller brush, I'm just taking the yellow and going right into the inner corner. And then just on the tip of the Kat Von D brush, I'm just going to take this like shimmery yellow and pop that into the inner corner. Okay. So now let's lay down some tape on the other eye. So stick it to the back of your hand first to make sure that it's not too sticky. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing but with the cool toned colors. So I'm just going to start on the outer corner with this like ultraviolet purple and carefully just press that into the outer corner of the eye. Okay, and next, so on this little packing brush, I'm just going to go ahead and take this bright freaking turquoise blue and put that in the center of the eye. Now on the little Tarte mermaid brush, I'm going into this bright green here. And we're just going to pack this on the inner corner of the eye. And that took away some of the blue, so I'm just going to go back over the blue and stamp like between the blue and the green to kind of just blend those two together. And then just going in again just with the purple, just to darken the very, very outer corner. Let's peel this tape off. It's so satisfying when you peel it off and you have like a perfectly crisp line, like literally living for that. Now the tops of the eyes are pretty much done. I'm just gonna do a little bit more blending into the crease with the nude color just to make sure everything's super blended. Now I'm just going to do the exact same thing again on the bottom, and yeah, I'm pretty sure you get it by now. So I'm actually gonna start with the green on this side because I'm gonna use the same brush and just clean it off a little bit. So start with the green on the inner corner, and we're gonna have to really pack it on because we didn't put the milk pencil down. And then we're gonna take the bright, bright blue again and put that into the center and blend it with the green. And then on the very outer corner, we're gonna take the dark purple and again just carefully stamp it and blend it into the purple on the outer corner. I'm just gonna take the green kind of shimmer and pop it into the inner corner on this eye to blend the two green shades together and give us tiny inner highlight. Okay everyone, so this is the finished two-tone rainbow eye. Alright, so this is the finished two-tone rainbow eye look. This is my second Pride Month tutorial. And what do you guys think? I love it. I'm actually surprised at how well it all blended, and I love the like crisp lines that I did with the tape. So that's basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my two-toned rainbow eye tutorial. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you're enjoying this Pride series. And make sure you hit the subscribe button before you leave. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you all at the next video. Bye, guys.